Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can open account on Opensea. So for that there are various options, and when you click on the wallet on Opensea you will see that there are quite a few options you can use to open or connect to Opensea, then open up your account. So we will be using MetaMask, and I will also show you how you can do it with Phantom Wallet. So let's get started. First of all, go to Google and search for MetaMask. After that, you will receive this websites. Just click on download MetaMask today. You can download MetaMask for your Chrome, iOS or Android, and there are various browsers that it is supported on. So I'm going to download it for Chrome, so I will click on install MetaMask for Chrome. After that, just click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension, and it is added to your extensions, and click on get started. Then click on I agree, and here you can either import your old MetaMask account using your secret recovery phrase, and you can also create a new account by clicking on create a wallet. Secret recovery phrase is basically what MetaMask provides us when we create our account, and it's quite a secret phrase, so that's why it has this name. So keep it secret from anyone else, otherwise your wallet can be hacked. So let's create a new account so you can know how to do it. Select a password for your account, then click on I have read and agree to the terms of use, and click on create. After that, MetaMask will provide you a video where it will tell you how you can secure your wallet. So let's click on next, because I will tell you exactly what is shown in the video. Here is our secret phrase, and you can just click on reveal it, and make sure that you write this phrase down on a piece of paper, because it needs to be kept confidential, as if you lose this secret phrase to anyone, then that person will be able to access your wallet and can use all your assets, or basically your crypto assets or your NFTs. So this is really important to secure this secret phrase. Since I'm just using a dummy account to create this tutorial, so that's why I'm showing it to you. Then click on next, and here we will have to paste this secret phrase or type this secret phrase in the particular order that it was in. So let's see what was the order. So it was conduct, balcony, limit, site, lobby, myself, Wi-Fi. And after selecting all these words in the same order as they were in your secret phrase, click on confirm. And that's how you get a MetaMask account. Just click on all done, and this is your MetaMask account. Now we will use this MetaMask account to log in on Opensea. So just open up the Opensea website, and here click on the wallets. Just select the MetaMask option here, or any of the wallet that you are currently using. The process is quite similar, just use them. Let's try with Phantom. So after you sign in your account, whether through MetaMask or any other wallet, it will ask for certain permissions. So basically you have to give the permissions. Click on connect. And here we have logged into our account. Then you can just go to your profile by clicking on this blue icon. You can see your collection here, and you can also create NFTs and sell them on Opensea. So let's go to our settings. Click on approve. And here you can set up your name, your profile image, your banner, your bio and email address. Basically everything related to your account, and you will see your wallet address at the bottom. Basically this wallet can be used by you to receive NFTs from any of your known person. Just share your address to them and they will be able to send NFTs to you. Then after setting up all your information here, click on save. And in order to create a NFT, just click on create. You can upload an image here, name that particular image or NFT. Also, you can also give external link to that, a description, so the purchaser of that particular NFT can see and know about that description related to your art. And if you want to use OpenSea to purchase different artworks, you can click on the OpenSea icon on top left corner, and here you will see a lot of creators and their artwork can be seen by clicking on their name, and we will basically get to their profile. And here this is the artwork, and there are different kinds of NFTs. It might be related to utility or the artwork, so you can just purchase them accordingly by clicking on these NFTs and going through their description. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.